Hi everyone, another one of the fidgets you will find within your bag is a lacing fidget, and you will find in your little plastic bag some of this yarn that you're going to use as your lace, some ribbons for the sides, and you'll also end up with a length of this webbing. I've cut this webbing into 6 strips of 6 centimeters long, and also in the bag you will find these little curtain rings, little plastic curtain rings. So what we're going to do is we're going to thread these onto our lengths of webbing, and those will become the threading points for your lace for later. So before I put these on, what I've done is I've actually drawn onto my mat with tailor's chalk a line. Now this line is 8 centimeters from the side, and I've made it bigger because these pieces of ribbon are quite wide and I want it to still have plenty of room at the side for when we put that backing on. So I've made this 8 centimeters from the side. We're going to attach our first ring on webbing at the top. We're going to measure down 3.5 centimeters and then another 3.5 centimeters and put a little mark there on either side. We're going to take the next ones, the next little webbing pieces, and we're going to add them on here. You can see where I've got that little line there. I'm actually just placing it just above that, and just try and make sure that it's even with the one above. And I've made these 3 centimeters apart, in the middle as well, so it's 3.5 centimeters down, which once you put the 1 centimeter wide webbing on, it leaves a gap of around about 2.5 centimeters. So, and this gap here is around about 3 centimeters. So you want to then just put them all down in a regimented no, that doesn't actually quite look even, so I'm just going to adjust that bit there. Now that looks more even. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'm going to stitch these into place so that I can take my pins out, and then I'm going to put the ribbon over the top. This will also make sure that these little pieces stay in place and don't get pulled out by whoever's using the mat. So I'm just going to do a straight stitch again. And I'm just going to stitch straight down over and I'm going to do the same on the other side. Okay, and that leaves us with your 6 little loops with the curtain rings attached to them. Now, again, the choice